Hey guys, out here in Minnesota, my first fish of the day and my first fish of the trip, a nice bass off a wacky rig. So yeah, let him go. Alright, I'll talk to you when you catch another fish. Alright. Hey guys, back. Got a nice bass. A really nice bass off a crankbait. So let's let him go. Nice fish. Alright, see ya. You took a picture. Oh my god, here. I'm recording. Oh, alright, you're recording? Alright, hey guys, sorry about that. This is a really nice fish, whatever this is. I think it's an Oregon. Yeah, oh, it's a bass. Ooh. That is I think it's a largemouth.
Look how he's hooked.
It's a nice fish. Okay, I'm gonna stop fighting. That is a nice largemouth.
Watch your
not hooked.
Watch your hook.
Right, let me with my right hand. You kidding me? There. Alright, well, we'll get back to him. We're gonna let him go. Hey guys, as you can see, I got my fish right here. A nice largemouth, so let's let it go. Alright, talk to you catching the fish. Hey guys, I got another nice one. I think this is smallmouth. Wow, this is the big one. Woo! I'm gonna be really mad if he lets it go.
Keep tension on it.
Let's see the surface. Oh, that's a largemouth. Jeez. I'm gonna try to grab him.
Oh, be careful. Let me get the...
Another nice largemouth. Alright, we'll get back to him and let him go.
That's alright.
Alright, we're gonna let him go now. Just don't a nice largemouth. Off that crankbait. It's a really nice crankbait.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll get back to you. Hey guys, welcome back. I just got another nice fish. It's off the same crankbait. I've gotten so many of them right here off this crankbait. Come on. Come up. Whatever this is. A bass.
Big one?
This is just small. I know it's a largemouth. Wait. Yeah, largemouth. Not as big as the other ones. Oh, it's smallmouth. That is a smallmouth. Oh, he's hooked through the eye. Alright. We'll get back to you when you release him. Hey guys, I got a nice fish off a wacky rig. Bass. Ooh, it's a largemouth. Is it, man? Nice largemouth off a wacky rig. Alright, I'm gonna let him go. Alright, we'll talk to you and catch another fish. Hey guys, out here next day, just got a nice bass over there by that jug, which is way over there, but there's a bunch of rocks there and everything. This is a nice bass, and I'll show you what I got him on. Let's let this guy go. You shunk. I got it on this crankbait, which I've been doing really well with bass. I got it on this crankbait. It's a really nice color. It's a bomber. So yeah, I'll let you guys. Well, we'll get back to you guys if you get any more. Hey guys, I'm out here. It's about time to go in. I just got a big fish on the same crankbait. Haven't even gotten it up. Haven't even seen it yet. Still pulling. There it comes up. Oh man. When it gets stuck in. Oh, it's a bass. Oh my god.
Oh,
Here, hold this.
oh, he ain't hooked by much.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, alright, here, just keep recording now. Alright. There you go. Good buddy. This is a nice bass. I need pliers. Look at this pig. Alright, we're gonna stop right now. I'm gonna get a picture. I'll get back to you. Hey guys, alright, we got some picture. We're gonna release this pig. Look at this fish. It's huge. There you go, so we're catching that more. Hey guys, I just got a big bass on a wacky rig. He hasn't even come up yet. Oh, he jumped on. There he is. He's not even that big, but he's nice. There he is. Nice largemouth. Alright, there we go. Hey guys, I just caught a nice bass off of a wacky worm. So yeah, nice fish. So let me go. Alright, let me talk to you later. Hey guys, I got another nice bass. About the same size as the other one. Nice bass. So yeah, let's let him go. And I got him off this. Senko worm, and then I hooked it up with a hook. I think it's a 5-foot hook, I'm not sure, but these worms are called, these are Bass Pro Shops Tournament Series worms. So we'll talk to catching more. Hey guys, I just caught a nice smallmouth. This is probably my biggest smallmouth of the day. I haven't been catching that very many, but this is the biggest one. This is a nice smallmouth. He fought really well. So let's let him go.
You're bait.
So yeah, I'll talk to Chris on the fish.
That's a large.
Hey guys, my grandma just got a really nice bass.
You sure did.
I think it's a smallmouth.
That's what you had before, right by that rock.
That's a largemouth. Oh my gosh, that's a big largemouth.
It's about like the one you just had.
That's bigger. That
No,
one's
I
bigger.
don't-
Don't lose him.
I won't lose him. I gotta
He
get him.
keeps losing everything he catches. Well, she catches, he loses everything.
Now he closed his mouth.
Why can't you get it in there?
I can't get my finger in his mouth.
There. It's a nice largemouth. That lure has been hot right now.
That lure's been hot since last year when I bought it.
Yeah, alright, there's a long story behind that. Hey guys, I just got a nice fish. Don't know what it is yet. I think it's a northern, the way it's pulling. Out here fishing with the same crankbait that is doing everything. Is that a northern? There's a bass, it's gotta be a big bass. This is a good fish. Jeez. Haven't even seen who it is yet. Oh, that's a bass. Oh my god. That's a bass. Oh my god. That's a bass. Jeez. That's a bass. It's a largemouth. Here, grab the pole. Where is he? Oh my god.
Ooh.
God, I can't even grab it with my thumb. Give me the pliers. Hey guys, I'm gonna release this pig. As you can see, I'm holding like this because he's so heavy. Look at that. All right, let's let him go. All right, he's gone. Hey guys, I just got a big bass out of Wacky Worm. Where is it? Alright, look at this bass. The fat bass.
Help me back up here so I can see better.
Alright. This thing is fat. First fish of the day off a Wacky Worm. Alright. Alright guys, we're releasing this pig. Look at this guy. Alright, let's go.
Pig's ready to poop.
Alright, we'll talk to Kiss on the fish. Hey guys, I just got a big largemouth.
Ooh, well, there goes the worm.
I got the pole. Nice.
Nice largemouth off a Wacky Worm. So let's let him go. Talk to you, catch another fish. I'm gonna let some line out. Okay, I'll film it. Alright. Hey guys, I just got a smallmouth. He's not done yet. I've had him on here for a while. Man, this guy must be bigger than I thought. I've seen him already, but jeez, look at him.
Yeah, he's a fighter. Oh, he's a nice smallmouth.
Let's see if I can get him in. That's not looking good. Oh, he's not even hooked that good.
No, he's not. I don't know if we're going to get him in or not. Oh, yeah. Ooh. That's one of the bigger smallmouths of the trip so far.
Yeah. Nice
Oh,
smallmouth.
boy, that's a dandy.
Alright, let's let him go. Hey guys, he's got a big smallmouth. Oh!
Oh!
Hey guys, you got another nice bass on the next cast. We should just kept filming, but this one, I think this is a smallmouth too, the way it's fighting. Wow, this is a good fighter. Wow. This one, whatever this is. It's a largemouth. I'll get him. Not that big, but nice fish. He's gonna come out easily. Yeah. Nice largemouth. Off a Wacky Worm. I had the smallmouth that was like twice that size. Alright, I'll talk to you. Hey guys, I decided to just film it since my grandpa got snagged and we're anchored, we don't want to get out, so alright, I'm just throwing this out there and I let it sink a little bit and then I'm just jigging it back, I guess. And whenever I get one, I kind of have to, if you want to set the hook in, if you have it, you want to keep the line tight, you want to keep it back. There we go. There's one. This feels like a pretty good one. Yep. Man. worm is up there so far. Alright, let's get this guy in. Oh, this one's fat. Okay, there goes the worm.